Hello, in this video I want to show you how to update your Bose portable home speaker. So in order to do this, first let's download the Bose Music app on your device. After doing so, you'll need to create an account and log in. So here I have the app already downloaded and I've already created the account. My device is also added to this app, and you can check our video on how to connect it to Wi-Fi network to see how we've done it. Now from here, your device should instantly start updating, and each time you restart the app or connect this device to this app, it will update your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.